Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. But how do you know if you're making the right choice? What if expensive problems are hiding in plain sight? A small crack, a leaking roof, hidden damp, faulty electricals. These are the kinds of issues that can cost you thousands after you've already bought the property. Introducing Home Buyer's Guide, your first ever personal property inspection companion, designed to help you inspect every property with confidence before making one of life's biggest investments. Follow professional inspection checklists covering more than 300 inspection points, so you'll always know exactly what to look for during every property viewing. Inspect everything that matters, including the roof, plumbing, electrical systems, kitchens, bathrooms, security, structural condition, and much more. As you complete your inspection, the app instantly calculates a professional property score, giving you a clear understanding of the home's overall condition. You'll also receive expert guidance, repair priorities, estimated maintenance budgets, and practical negotiation advice based on your assessment results, helping you understand the property's condition before making an offer. Walk into every negotiation with confidence. Avoid costly surprises, make informed decisions, and buy your next home with complete peace of mind. Download Home Buyer's Guide today on Google Play and inspect smarter, negotiate with confidence, and buy with peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest property buying tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.